Hello, today we'll be walking you through how to set up dynamic targets. Dynamic targets are distribution lists that had been filtered to meet specific criteria to be used to run targeted campaigns. You can set the criteria of your filters based on various data, such as opt-in history, demographics, voting responses, and more. To create a new dynamic target, you can do so by selecting Contacts on the navigation bar found on the left-hand side of the menu bar and then selecting Dynamic Targets. From here, you will select Create and then fill in the necessary information. Dynamic Target Name. You'll want to name your dynamic target just as you would name your distribution list, so that you can locate it when creating your mass messages or running your automations. Description. This description is used internally for your reference. Filters to apply. Here you will be selecting Add Filters and then you'll need to set the conditions of your filter. For this filter, I would like to have all contacts that were imported on a specific date. So I will go ahead and select Contact Data and then Import Date and set the date for the system to check. Once the conditions are set, you can save your filter and select Create. Once the dynamic target has been created, you will now be able to select this filtered list when sending a message or running your automation campaigns. Here are some frequently asked questions. Once a dynamic target is created, when does it take effect? Immediately. Once the filter is created, the dynamic target is available to be used right away. How long does it take to create a filter? It can take up to 45 minutes for filters to apply, but this is for an extremely large contact database. Most filters will take 2 to 5 minutes to create. When editing an existing dynamic target, when is the new data updated into the list? Existing edited dynamic targets will be updated at midnight of your specific time zone. I hope you enjoyed our walkthrough on creating dynamic targets. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.